Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtech, and today I'm going to walk you through how to connect your iPhone to radio frequencies. It's important to know that the iPhone doesn't have a built-in FM radio tuner, so it can't connect directly to FM radio signals on its own. But there is a workaround that allows you to play your iPhone's audio over a radio frequency, and that's by using an external FM transmitter. Here's how it works. You can get a portable FM transmitter that connects to your iPhone, either through the Lightning port or via Bluetooth. Once connected, the transmitter broadcasts a signal that can be picked up by a nearby radio. The trick is to set the FM transmitter to an unused frequency on your car or home radio. By doing this, you avoid interference from existing radio stations. After setting the transmitter, all you need to do is tune your radio to the same frequency. This will allow you to hear whatever is playing on your iPhone, whether it's music, podcasts, or any other audio, through your car speakers or home audio system. It's a great option, especially for cars or audio setups that don't have Bluetooth connectivity. If you're looking to listen to actual radio stations on your iPhone, though, you're limited to internet-based options. This means you'll need to use streaming apps or visit the radio station's website to listen online. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped explain how you can connect your iPhone to a radio frequency. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you later.